Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before 3 years ago, we started YouTube being my team. When I only one person compare with the company with my two members, only two members. Hello, hey, he is a intelligent villain. Wow, acting. Villains amazing. His name and with hey, hello guys. Tell me about yourself. He is a amazing person and jokes my team. After 3 years, we meet our team. Only two members. It's very sad. We continue our YouTubing, but we success in this moment. Our YouTubing and we success. Hello, hey, villain part. Please, he's Maruf. Hi. Hey, he's Maruf on villain person. Wow, amazing acting. And he is a comedy man. Only two person. On the other hand, we find our two six person. Only just we meet. I meet two person. Thank you very much. Hi, hi. Tata. Okay. Thank you. Hi. Thank you. Bye. Eid Mubarak.